I've been a big advocate of these machine craps. And I'm realizing that I'm not telling the entire story about craps. So I'm going to try to tell the whole story about craps. This is a traditional table right here, obviously. So you see it says table limits 10 to 500, 3x, 4x, 5x. What those 3, 4, 5x means most likely means nothing to 99% of craps players. Casual craps players, every craps player that's a regular is taking their odds. Those are the odds, 3x, 4x, 5x. So say right here, you put a $10 bet. So the 3x, 4x, 5x, if the number comes up 6 or 8, you're allowed to put 3 times as much as your front bet. You can put 3 times as much right here. So if you have $10 here, you can put $30 back here. If it's a 6 and 8 and it comes in, you instead of $30 back here, you're going to get paid $42. You're going to get paid your $10 like you always do, and then you're going to get paid 7 to 5 back here. If it's a 4, if it's a 5 or 9, you can put four times your odds, and that's going to pay you 9 to 5. If you put if the point is 4 or 10, you can put 5 times. This is a traditional table now. It's not. It's different everywhere. Sometimes it's more than that. But let's say it's a 4 or a 10, and you had $10 in the front. This is the front. And you can put 5 times that amount. You can put $50 back here. On that $50, you're going to get $100 payout. So you're getting true odds, the absolute true odds of this, doing the math of how craps works. Most people don't want to, figure all that out. You can always ask the rake man, how much can I put back here, and he'll tell you. But usually, if you go with a normal, it's a $10 limit. If you go $10, always go $10 on the front, and you're going to make all your money back here because you're getting better. You're getting real odds. You're even with the house back here. So, what I've noticed is these machines don't let you do that. But I've still encouraged people to use the machine to learn how to play because it's easier, and most people don't try to get their maximum odds anyway. This seems too complicated. It's really not, but as a beginner, if you want to be a beginner, if you want to learn the game the right way, go to the machine first. Learn how to play this line. Learn how to play that line, which is pretty simple. This is a 1-roll bet. Whatever you see there, if that rolls, then you win. If it doesn't, then you lose. 1-roll bet. The come line out here, this right here, is the exact same as the pass line after the game has started. So let's say you walk up to a table and you have there's a hockey puck sitting on the 9. That means the 9 is the point. So you don't want to wait till there's a 7 out and you want to start your new game. You put it on the come. So the come becomes your game. You got your own little game, and you can do all your odds. You can do everything you can do on the pass line, but it's your own little game. So the next roll might be a 5. Everybody on the table wants the 9, but you want the 5. But maybe you play the next roll, keep putting it on the come, and then you might have the whole table covered, and you can keep putting your odds up 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It starts to get complicated if you're brand new to the game, but I just wanted to make the point that the games that I'm encouraging do not allow you to do these kind of things. But what I found tonight, I didn't realize that some of these real tables with the electronic displays, they do allow you to put your odds up, and it's 3, 4, 5, just like it is at that back table. So, like this one, there's nowhere for you to put your extra odds. They have some weird stuff up here, Lucky Shooter. I don't know what that's about. I've never played that. But you can place the bets on these machines, which is more than I thought you could do, actually. But this is the place to learn your game right here. It's only $1 odds. But I found out that this machine here, it's not a machine, it's a real table, has the odds there. And it's the 3, 4, 5. See, 3, 4, 5. So if you like a craps game to be able to get all your odds, find one like this, electronic, real craps table, but it's got these display pads. They have these all over Vegas. So it's the best of both worlds, in my opinion. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, and then you got all the only downside to it is this machine over here lets you go at your pace and you roll when you're ready to roll. The downside is you can't take your odds, but you're not ready to do that if you're just starting out playing craps. But if you're a pro at playing craps, this will do it right here. Now you can join the electronic world without anyone knowing your business. That's pretty cool. So anyway, that's an update on the craps. So now I think this is the better way to go. This type machine is the better way to go. You have all the benefits of the real table. You see right there it says 3, 4, 5, just like the real table. Well, they're real tables, but this is acrylic. This is the electronic version of the real table. Those other machines are not really. Those other machines are great for drinking and having fun with people that don't know the craps game and don't want to know the craps game, because it's complicated. It's not really complicated, but it is if you're a beginner. So I hope that helps.